say? Wingardium Leviosa. Lumos. Floors. Alarum. Wait, what am I saying? I just want the Frappuccino.
It's really good. Really?
It tastes really good because it's not too sweet, and it has a little tiny bit of sourness, but it's like barely sour at all. And it's like a really cool color. And I thought I'd hate the chia seeds, but they actually like give it a nice texture.
I'm not like mind over munch putting stuff like quinoa in her smoothies. No, this is a Frappuccino. So for my drink, I have some vanilla ice cream, dairy-free, coconut ice cream, and an orange. I'm gonna add some more ingredients later, but this is what I'm gonna start with. This ice cream is so rock hard. It's just so annoying to get out. Luckily, both of these were on their last bits, but usually I'd spend like half an hour trying to get all the ice cream out, and it's so annoying. So I'm adding some frozen blackberries because it was a bright purple color, and I don't want to have to use too much food coloring. And when I tasted it, it didn't exactly taste like orange creamsicle, and I tasted some sweet kind of berry flavor that I don't think came from the oranges, so I'm gonna add some frozen blackberries. Now I'm using a tiny bit of food coloring to give this that authentic, bright purple color. I'm also gonna be adding a little bit of milk of your choice. The blue and the milk and the orange juice, it just does not look pleasant. Now I'm just making some coconut whipped cream for the top of my drink. So to start, I brewed some batworts or chia seeds in lime juice and stevia overnight, and I also added some golden sprinkles to give them that golden look that Starbucks has. So I have my grande Starbucks cup, and I'm going to put some of my chia seeds in and around that cup. You are so thick. How did they do this so fast at Starbucks? I mean, it's easy, but it takes a really long time. Now I'm just gonna pour my Frappuccino in there. I'm just gonna pop my whipped cream on top now. Now on my Frappuccino, they didn't put any green sprinkles, but after me there was a guy that got it, and he got some green sprinkles. So I'm gonna make mine authentic and put green sprinkles. Okay, let's taste this baby. It's really, really good. It tastes really close to the Starbucks one. A little bit more tart, but that's nice because it's also a little bit more sweet. You can taste the orange and the ice cream. It's really nice.
Out of all the Frappuccinos you've made, which tastes the best?
Probably this one. Well, the crystal ball one is definitely a close second, but this one tastes really good. Whoosh, now it looks like witch's puke.
Yeah, that's what Dad said.
Bye. I'll see you soon. Now I can keep on practicing my spells.